Hi everyone, I am back with another Destash, and this time I've been sorting out my craft CDs. Now these are absolutely phenomenal. You can make cards, tags, toppers. There are so many goodies here, and I have a big stash of craft CDs and I am selling the whole lot for £12 plus £4 postage. So let me show you what's in here, because this is an amazing job lot really. I'm just trying to get rid of them because I'm trying to make space. So this first one we have is called Victorian Ladies, and it's a beautiful collection of classic Victorian images for all your card making needs. You've got decoupage cards, cameo cards, inverted, 30 backing sheets, 30 sheets of portrait backing sheets, 30 sheets of landscape inserts, 30 sheets of portrait inserts, and 30 sheets of box envelopes, 40 tags and 20 ribbons. So there is an awful lot just on this one CD. Then we have this My Craft Studio, Everything Oriental. There's 300 images and instructions on here. It says to teach various techniques, including graphics and verse editing program. This one is Parchment Delights Volume 2, includes graphics program with verse editing feature. It has lots of designs on here, simple outline designs, bookmarks, frames and more, where you can recreate your favorite designs time and time again. My Craft Studio is amazing. You can edit things and add things to it, so it's very, very good. This one is My Craft Studio World of Watercolor number 2. There's exclusive graphics program with text editing feature to create thousands of printable images, and they're all watercolor images on there. This one is called Summer Rosa and Winter Flora. This is just beautiful. This has exquisite images suitable for any occasion, stunning toppers, backgrounds. It's traditional floral style to use for all your paper crafting projects. So this is gorgeous. Got lots of butterflies and flowers. It is gorgeous, that one. This one is Floriography Digital Stamp CD1. This disc contains My Craft Studio, which you can edit everything in. Has an astonishing number of fabulous digital stamps to help you create beautiful designs time after time, with bonus notebooks. This collection is sure to provide inspiration at your fingertips, and it's just very floral. These are really good, you know, especially if you're a card maker, but even if you're not a card maker, to make tags and that. This one is called Everyday Essentials Volume 1. This has everyday images for any occasion, toppers, backgrounds that you can use to coordinate, and can be used for men's and women's paper crafting projects. And then you have the built-in graphics program with all of the Craft Studio discs. We have My Craft Studio Floral Scrolls and Winter Scrolls, and this one has stunning scrolls and backgrounds for all year round. The enchanting sentiments on this disc are perfect for any occasion, or you can add your own unique verses using the text feature included on the disc, so you can totally edit all of the projects. This one is called Flutter by Butterflies. It's Parchment Delights Volume 4. This is the 4th volume in the Parchment Delights range. It includes beautiful images ready to print onto parchment and emboss, simple outline designs, backgrounds, frames and much, much more. But you can print them on anything. You don't have to print them on parchment. So that's that lot. And then we have this one, which is called Perfect Petals. Includes graphics, program and e-cards. This has flowers to suit any occasion, where you can create fabulous artwork projects. Included in the disc are images, backgrounds, stationery, and much more. Then we have this one, which is called Make a Date. And this just has a lot of different like calendars, blank calendars that you can edit. Stop it, you little monkey. Then we have Parchment Delights, which is another one, which goes with the other one. This one is called No Stamp Required Florals. Includes graphics program with editing. Create stunning papercraft projects with this unique collection of artwork. We have created outline images for you to print as though stamped, and then colour as you would any stamped image. Try printing on acetate and glittering for a stunning finish, or watercolouring for a subtle finish with this collection of artwork. The choice is yours. The disc contains colour and outline images with floral and butterfly theme, along with the Craft Studio graphics program, which has been designed for crafters and gives the ability to easily change colours and sizes, and also to create your own backgrounds and borders, which it really is good, Craft Studio. Then we have The Wrinklies, a brand new CD-ROM packed full of silly seniors and potty pensioners to make fabulously funny handmade cards. I don't know if you can see on the back all of those images that you can print. This one you will love. It is a 2 CD. It is called Baby Love. It is Joanna Sheen, who we all love. Oops, I'll get that back in now. And this one has 850 printable pages on this CD set, including 200 toppers, each with coordinating background papers, not just for new baby cards. These images are suitable for cards for all occasions, including pregnancy, christenings, birthdays, Mother's Day, Christmas, and so much more. And there's also a bonus interactive section on CD1 with inserts and announcement cards for you to fill out and print as well. And some fun vintage photos with caption boxes for you to get creative. So this is, look at these gorgeous, very vintage looking babies. I mean, these are just fantastic. This one is called Wings and Things. This is Die Cut Studio. This contains cards, envelopes, inserts, stationery boxes, word books, tags, toppers, bookmarks, backgrounds, brand new Die Cut Studio design sheets, and much more. And these are Wings and Things. Excuse me. And then we have the Craft Studio Tatty Twinkle. It contains beautifully created designs ready for you to print and craft with, include stationery, toppers, notebooks, backgrounds, and more. Tatty Twinkle, isn't she cute? Then we have this one, which is called A Dog's Life, and this has with over 200 craft sheets. Dog's Life will provide you with the ability to make new and different card projects every time, and they're very cute dogs on this one. And then the last one is Floral Flower Soft Floral Design for Card Making. And it has all of these different frames and tags and pages. This one is absolutely stunning. And these will be very good for, you know, your journals as well. You can, you know, make tags and things and everything with that. So this is oh my god, the CD. He's just pushed everything out of the way. That is the CD, craft CD Destash #1. So if you're interested in that, it's £12 plus £4 postage in the UK. And if you're out of the UK, you will have to let me know and I'll give you a price. If you can just email me below, or just comment, and my email is below, and if not, just comment and contact me if you are wanting this fantastic set, which I can't put on the table because Naughty Charles has got in the way. So thanks for watching, and thanks to everyone who has bought things in my destashes earlier today, and I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.